In Suffolk, we've been collecting recycling from homes for around 25 years. A lot's changed in this time. Today, more items are recyclable, and technology has evolved, meaning we can recycle things that we weren't able to previously. Suffolk residents are already great recyclers, and the new recycling and waste service for Suffolk, starting in June 2026, will make it easier for us all to recycle more. So let's take a look at how it works, starting with the new things you can recycle from home. For the first time, you'll be able to recycle glass bottles and jars in the household recycling bin. Drinks cartons like these Tetra Paks, plastic bags, wrappings and films. And each week, we'll be collecting food waste separately. You're going to be getting some new bins to store these additional things. If your current recycling bin is blue or has a blue lid, your new additional recycling bin will have a green lid. If your current one is green or has a green lid, your new one will have a blue lid. And for food waste, there's two caddies. The small one to store food waste throughout the day, and a larger one that stays outside, into which you can transfer the food waste. So let's take a quick look at how to use the new service, starting with the blue or blue-lidded bin. When the new service starts in June, the blue or blue-lidded bin will be used for glass bottles and jars. You can leave the labels and lids on, but please make sure they're empty. Plastic bottles, again, it's okay to leave labels on. Plastic trays and tubs, plastic bags, wrappings and plastic films. Even these film lids, but please remove the lids from the tray. Food and drinks cans and empty aerosols, drinks cartons and aluminium foil and trays. And whilst items don't need to be spotlessly clean, it's important to keep food waste and liquids out of the bin. A quick rinse in the washing up water after you've done the dishes is all that's needed. Items should be kept loose, please don't bag anything. Now on to the green-lidded bin. With online shopping, we're getting through a lot of cardboard these days, and the good news is that you now have a bin to keep it all in. From June 2026, you can use the green or green-lidded bin for all cardboard, like cereal boxes, delivery boxes, egg boxes, along with paper like old magazines, junk mail, newspapers and the like. Envelopes too, and you can leave the plastic windows attached. You can also recycle shredded paper, but put it in a paper bag or wrap in paper to stop it blowing around on collection day. If you've got something with a lot of grease on it, like this pizza box, that can't go in the green-lidded bin. Pop that in the rubbish bin instead. Now on to the food waste caddies. The new service enables you to recycle all types of food waste. Cooked and uncooked meat and fish, bones as well, veg and fruit peelings, cores, tea bags and coffee grounds, food that's gone off, eggshells and leftovers. Please keep oils, liquids and non-food waste items out of the food waste. The smaller caddy is for you to store your food scraps during the day. We recommend lining the caddy. The best way to do this is with these biodegradable caddy liners that you can buy from most supermarkets. Or you can use old carrier bags. You don't have to line them at all, but it will keep the caddy cleaner and make it easier to transfer the food waste to the larger caddy outside. The large caddy has this handle. It's pulled forward until you hear a click to keep the lid firmly shut. But on collection day, please raise the handle upwards. Your food waste will be collected weekly. And that leaves, well, not much really. If you use the new service correctly and recycle right, you'll be surprised at just how little ends up in the rubbish bin. So far so good, but what if you live in a flat or share your recycling and waste services with others? Don't worry, you'll soon be able to recycle the same new range of items. New bins will be installed where you normally take your rubbish and recycling. And for food waste, you may only get the smaller caddy. A new food waste bin will be provided for you to share with your neighbours. Don't forget, the new service doesn't start until June 2026. Before then, we'll be delivering the new bins and caddies, and you'll receive an information pack and collection calendar well in advance. So there you have it, a new recycling and waste service fit for the future. Better recycling for Suffolk? Absolutely.